Hello everyone, welcome to week 4. You're almost halfway through the course. Congratulations on that. So week 4, the focus is looking at how an organization really does influence somebody's style or leadership. Thinking as that future administrator, how the district office or the school really influences how you are as a leader. Some of you mentioned it in your movie analysis papers. Depending on the situation, I might do this or that as a leader, whether transactional or transformational. So organizational influences really is looking at how that influences who you are as a leader or what needs to be done as a leader. So the 3 topics for this week are learning organizations, organizational theories, and then collaborative cultures, really building on that. So the reading for the week is reading chapter 4 from Green, again, organizational influences on the leadership. Then you've got an article on school culture versus climate. Going to give you a little heads up, the discussion board focuses on culture and climate, so that'll be your support for the discussion board. And then Lundberg's understanding organizational culture, just really giving you a sense of flow of how do you manage through that or how do you lead through that as we go through. So those are the 3 components for reading this week. You do have a learning module for this week that'll talk more about organizational theories. And then there is a discussion board for the week. So this week in discussion board, I'm just going to click over there to get us to see it, so I can make sure I've got the question pretty direct for you. The question states, or the prompt states, discuss the difference between the climate and culture of your workplace. What do people first see or feel when they walk onto your campus or workplace, and what message does it send? So climate, that's that feel when you come in. A culture, what are those underlying, this is what we expect, these are the things that we do. Thinking of that idea of the culture of your PBIS or the design of rules or what your leader expects, and then that mood or pace that's there is that climate. So we'll read more as you go through, but that is the focus for the week. And then the last thing to remind you for the week is you have a pretty significant assignment due this week, and that is your leadership interview paper. So we've been talking about it in our live session. I've talked about it for the last couple of weeks, but here's that last final reminder. Make sure that you have interviewed both somebody in education, principal, assistant principal, somebody higher up at the district level, and then somebody outside of education. So a business leader, church pastor, a nonprofit leader that's leading a group or an individual. Can be food services, can be IT, can be financial. The descriptor has the 8 components that you want to be able to reflect on with them. And then my reminder is, remember to take back what you've learned and how you would use that information in your own class as well to give that update for you and your leadership style. And that again is due this coming Sunday. So that would be June the 3rd that you would want to submit. So please remember to get that submitted. Follow APA formatting. This is a written paper. If you have any questions or any clarification that you need, please don't hesitate to call, email, or text me, and I'd be glad to support you. I hope that you guys have a great week. God bless.